wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best robotic dinosaur toys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. In addition to a remote control that makes it walk, the Liberty Imports brachiosaurus has a hidden button on its stomach that turns on roaring sound effects and makes its LED eyes light up bright green. This fun herbivore is sure to give your kids hours of entertainment. It has a textured body with detailed fixtures and comes with batteries for the dino. However, the remote doesn't always work. At number 9, the Advanced Play multifunction is loaded with cool features. Not only can it walk forward, it can also dance to music, play sounds, and shake its head. All of this can be controlled using a pocket-sized remote that matches the Jurassic aesthetic. It releases steam from its mouth, but you do need AA batteries for both the remote and the model, and the music can get annoying. Coming in at number 8 in our list. With simple, intuitive controls, the Sharper Image Mini is easy to understand and use, even for youngsters who have never played with remote-controlled toys before. Using its built-in wheels and infrared sensors, it can move forward and spin around. It's small enough to take on the go and weighs less than 1 pound. However, it moves very slowly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Robotic Dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Temi Tyrannosaurus comes with a remote that looks similar to a video game controller and has several buttons for moving this T-Rex forward and backward, turning its head and more. It can rotate 360 degrees, so your little one can send it scurrying all over the place. It includes a one-push demo mode and a USB charging cable, but it doesn't work on carpet. Moving up our list to number 6. Well sculpted and designed to have a realistic skin-like feel, the Dino Planet Spinosaurus looks like it walked right out of the Jurassic period. Add a bit of water and a cloud of cool mist will come out of its mouth, giving the appearance of breathing smoke. It's 14 inches tall and its red eyes light up. However, it's not especially durable. Halfway up our list at number 5. A blend of old and new, the Robotime DIY is a 3-dimensional wooden puzzle with electronic components. Once your engineering training is done putting it together, the little model can walk and roar, reacting to the sound of clapping hands. No glue or tools are required, and several species are available. It comes with step-by-step instructions. At number 4, if you're shopping for a master builder who loves construction toys, consider the meccano meccasaur. It's well suited to older kids who are willing to spend some time putting it together. Once assembled, the programmable T-Rex can talk, roar, and react to being pet. It answers yes or no questions and is 3 feet long. It supports STEM education. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With a sleek, high-tech appearance, the Sharper Image robotosaur looks like a force to be reckoned with. It also has plenty of personality, with color-changing LED eyes that help it to convey emotions ranging from happy to tired to furious. It features built-in motion detection and a good-sized remote for small hands. Plus, it goes into sleep mode when not in use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Robotic Dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a simple, realistic-looking option, the Liberty Imports Triceratops should pique the interest of any child. The remote control looks like a fossil and has 2 large buttons on the skull and legs, which control head movement and walking respectively. It's made of non-toxic ABS plastic and safe for kids as young as 3. It's equipped with stomping sound effects. And taking the top spot on our list, there are 3 different ways to interact with the wowwee miposaur. You can either learn the hand gestures it responds to, use the included trackball, or download the free app and use your smartphone to feed it, play with it, and control its movement. It dances to your music and includes several built-in games. It offers a good battery life too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Robotic Dinosaur toys, or simply click beneath this video.